In this video, I will show you how to clear cache in Cloudflare. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, first of all, what I want you to do is log into your Cloudflare account. Once you're logged in, I want you to find the domain that you want to use, and you click and enter into the domain. Once you're in the domain, you're going to see these settings that I have on my left sidebar, and you're going to scroll down to caching. Once you're in caching, you're going to go down again to configuration. So from caching to configuration. Now once you're in configuration, Cloudflare gives you two options to clear cache, and Cloudflare calls it purge cache, but it's the same as clear cache. It gives you a custom purge or purge everything. So custom purge basically means clearing cache by using some customized selectors. So you can purge by URL, and what this means is you're going to put in the URL and you separate them in each line and tell Cloudflare to clear the cache for these URLs. Or you can purge by host name, and it gives you an example here. You're going to use comma for the host names. Or you can purge by tags. You can input tags that you want to purge by, or you can purge by prefix. Now, this is a custom purge, and this allows you to purge by some particular selector. If you don't want to do that and you want to purge everything, you're just going to click here and you're going to purge everything. Now, that's how you purge, or that's how you clear cache in Cloudflare. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.